Hey beautiful, welcome to my channel. My name is Nancy Joseph. I am a makeup artist and today I have a really quick lip tip for you. This is how you can enhance your lips, make them look fuller than what they are. Maybe you don't need that, but maybe you have a friend, Linda, with little lips. You can send her this video. Here we go. So the first thing you're going to do is put your lipstick on and then I want you to grab your concealer. So we're going to go back to 2010 we're not going to go that crazy though with the concealer like we used to back then. We're just going to take a little bit and we're going to put it on the bottom center of your lip. This is going to kind of give the illusion it's lighter there in the center, and now we have like a gradient effect where it's lighter in the center and darker on the outside. Here's the next thing. This is really important. You're going to grab a lip gloss. Same thing, bottom, center. That's it. You're not going to cover your whole lip with lip gloss. That's too slippery. It's too sloppy. It travels everywhere. There you go. Now you have the illusion that you have fuller lips. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you'll try it. Please subscribe, like, comment, and there's resources for you in the box below. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.